Let's talk about hiccups. Everybody experiences hiccups from time to time. I think most people would agree that one hiccup is sort of funny. 2 hiccups in a row is really funny. And 3 hiccups in a row is where it starts to be concerning, in part because hiccups can be kind of painful. You can experience pain in your gut or your lower abdomen, and sometimes in your chest as well. And it feels kind of intrusive. It gets in the way of having conversation or just sitting there and relaxing. However, there is a technique that can reliably eliminate hiccups, and it's a technique that takes advantage of hypercontracting the phrenic nerve over a short period of time so that it then subsequently relaxes or alleviates the spasming of the phrenic nerve. And that simple method is to inhale 3 times in a row. This is a very unusual pattern of breathing, but what it involves is taking a big deep inhale through your nose. Then before you exhale any air, take a second inhale through the nose, however brief that inhale might be, and then a third, even micro or millisecond long inhale through your nose to get that third inhale, and then hold your breath for about 15 to 20 seconds and then slowly exhale. Okay, so it's 3 inhales all through the nose, and it is true that that second and third inhale takes some physical effort to really get additional air into the lungs without exhaling first. It feels like the only way I can describe it really is as a sharp second and third inhale, because you really have to engage the musculature of those intercostal muscles in the diaphragm in order to do it. And then that long exhale can be through the nose or the mouth, but I find it particularly relaxing or even pleasant to do it through the nose. This method of 3 inhales through the nose followed by a long exhale through the nose or mouth will eliminate hiccups right away, because what it does is it hyperexcites the phrenic nerve 3 times in a row, a very unnatural pattern for the phrenic nerve to fire. And then it undergoes a hyperpolarization, as we call it, in which the phrenic nerve actually stands a much lower probability of getting activated again for some period of time afterwards. So it is important that you try and return to normal cadence of breathing after doing this 3 inhales followed by the long exhale. If you need to perform it a second time in order to eliminate hiccups because they're simply not going away, that's fine. You can do that. But as far as we know, this is the most efficient and science-supported way to eliminate hiccups.